Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a competency-based question for 2 marks. Let's look at the question. Now, Kevin is baking a tall layered wedding cake as shown below. The customer has ordered a 111 kg cake and 12 layers. For the cake to stand properly, he makes the bottommost cake of 17.5 kg and reduce the weight of each layer such that the difference in the weights of the consecutive layers is the same. By what weight does he reduce each subsequent layer? And what is the weight of the lightest cake layer? Show your work. Okay, so let's find out how to solve this question. Now, we have been given that the bottommost layer of the cake is like 17.5 kg, right? So, which means let's take the first term of our AP. A is equal to 17.5 kg. And D is what we are trying to find out in the first part. And we know that there are totally 12 layers. So the value of n is equal to 12. And the total weight of the cake, that is S12, is equal to 111 kg. Okay, so let's use the sum of n terms formula here and find the value of D from it. So Sn we know is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times D. So that's equal to 12 by 2 times 2 into 17.5 plus n minus 1 times, n is 12, sorry, so 12 minus 1 times D. And we know the value of S12 is 111. So that's equal to 111 times 2, which is 222, equal to 12 times 17.5 times 2 gives me 35 plus 11D. So that's equal to 222 is equal to 12 times 35, which is equal to 12 times 35 gives me 420 plus 132D. Okay, so let me take 420 to the other side. So 420 minus 222, 222 minus 420 gives me 198. Negative 198 is equal to 132D. Okay, so I'll get the value of D as equal to negative 1.5. So that means he reduces the weight by 1.5 kg. So the negative sign just indicates that he's reducing the weight in each subsequent layer. Okay, so now let's find out what is the weight of the lightest cake layer. Okay, so let's use an alternate formula for the sum of n terms of the AP. So Sn we also know is n by 2 into a plus the last term. Okay, and the lightest layer will be the last term. So we just need to find the value of L from this. So we know that the sum of 12 layers is 111. That's equal to 12 by 2. And the first layer is 7.5 kg plus L. So that gives me 111 divided by 6 is equal to 17.5 plus L. Now 111 divided by 6 is 18.5 is equal to 17.5 plus L. So L will be 18.5 minus 17.5, which means the last cake will have a weight of 1 kg. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.